Let's finish up with how you should package your assignment to turn it in. Recall that the folder that contains your assignment will be in the Visual Studio folder in My Documents, and underneath that in Projects, and then underneath that you will find your folder. Within that folder itself, we recall for review that you launch Visual Basic by double-clicking on the solution file, the one with the little 8 in the icon. If you wish to move this to your thumb drive, you would go up to the previous level and find the folder that has your project in it and copy that to your thumb drive. If you do that, then you're safe. Let's go back into it. When we grade it, we're going to go through the various folders, the area of the rectangle one that's there, and then finally to the one that's called Bin. Then Debug. Then the area of the rectangle EXE. That is the that's how we test it. So we'll run through some of the things we've discussed for a typical project. But let's go back up several levels until we get back to the layer that has the solution file in it. At this spot, or at this level, is where you could include the additional files that are part of documentation. I've grouped them all together here to make it a little easier. First of all, I scanned my handwritten copy of the form. You don't have to do that, but I scanned it into a PDF. You also have your meta file. You may include that if you wish. But for sure, you should include your Excel, your Visual Logic file, and then the printable flowchart in Word. And once all of the files that you want to copy are highlighted, use whatever your favorite method is of copying. Mine is Control-C. Position yourself back in the folder with your solution, where you will paste the files you just copied. Because they're all grouped together in this spot, it's easy for the grader to find them. Let's go up a level and get ready to zip. Locate the folder that contains the code you wish to zip. Right-click on it to bring up the zip utility. Cursor down a little and select the Send To menu item. A list of choices appears, and you will select the top one, Compressed or Zipped Folder. You should see the zipped folder at the bottom of the list. And the good news is we can actually get in there and test your program without unzipping it, but in case there is a problem, we do have all of your source code, and then we can extract it and compile it. This is the item that you would turn in Blackboard. I hope you have a lot of fun with this course. This is just very, very fun to do.